Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable disappearing messages in Facebook Messenger. So let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to open Facebook Messenger. Now you need to choose the chat where you want to enable that option. So in this case, I will choose this one. Then the next thing you need to do is to tap on the name of the person. Now you need to scroll down where you will find the option disappearing messages. All you need to do is to tap on it. As you can see, it is off. All you can do is to select this one, and once you go back, you will see in the chat here that you have now enabled disappearing messages, and the messages will disappear 24 hours after they have been sent. So that is the time limit. After 24 hours, any message that you sent in this particular chat will be disappeared. So guys, this is how you can enable the disappearing feature in Facebook Messenger. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.